In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a utility bill in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record a payment for your utility invoices so your accounts, vendor balances, and reports stay accurate. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks account. From the main dashboard, open the Pay Bills window. To do that, click the plus new button at the top left and under Vendors, select Pay Bills. This screen is where QuickBooks lists the unpaid bills you've already entered, making it easy to apply payments correctly instead of creating duplicate expenses. At the top of the pay bill screen, choose the bank account you're paying from. This is important because it determines which register the payment lands in and which balance changes. Take a moment to confirm it's the right checking or cash account, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Next, locate your utility bill in the list and check the box beside it. You can select one bill or several at once if you're paying multiple utilities today. As you select, watch the total at the bottom so you're clear on the exact amount you're about to record. Now enter the payment details. Set the payment date to the day you're actually making the payment. This affects your cash flow and the period in which the expense shows on reports. So accuracy here matters. Choose the payment method that matches how you're sending the money. Check, cash, ACH, or another supported option. Pick check if you're printing or writing a physical check, and choose an electronic method if you're paying online. Add a reference number if you have one. For checks, that's typically the check number. For electronic payments, it could be a confirmation or transaction ID. While optional, a reference makes it much easier to trace the payment later. When everything looks good, finalize the payment. Click Save and Close to record it and return to your dashboard, or choose Save and Print if you're printing a physical check immediately. Printing from here ensures the check number you use is captured on the bill payment and matches your paper check. After saving, QuickBooks marks the bill as paid, updates the vendor's balance, and reflects the transaction in the bank account you selected. You'll see the payment in your register, and the bill will no longer appear among open bills, helping you avoid accidental duplicate payments. If you ever need to review the details, you can open the payment from your expenses list or the vendor's profile